Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf continues the legacy of one of the most iconic hatchbacks in automotive history. With a perfect blend of practicality, efficiency, and fun-to-drive dynamics, the latest Golf offers subtle but meaningful updates that keep it competitive in a changing market. Visually, the 2025 Golf stays true to its conservative and clean design language. However, VW has sharpened the LED lighting, refined the front fascia, and added new wheel designs for a more modern and slightly aggressive look. It still exudes that understated European charm, appealing to both longtime fans and newer buyers seeking a no-nonsense daily driver. Inside, the Golf sees a significant improvement in tech and usability. Volkswagen has addressed previous criticisms by refining the infotainment interface, now featuring a 12.9-inch touchscreen with faster response times and more intuitive menus. The climate controls, which were once touch-sensitive and finicky, have been reworked for better tactile feedback. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and higher trims feature a customizable digital cockpit, premium audio system, and ambient lighting. Under the hood, the 2025 Golf sticks with tried-and-true engine options in most markets. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering solid fuel economy and responsive acceleration. In Europe, mild hybrid versions are available, offering improved efficiency without sacrificing performance. The 7-speed dual-clutch DSG transmission provides smooth shifts, though a manual transmission remains an option for driving purists in select models. The Golf's real strength lies in its handling. It strikes a great balance between comfort and sportiness, with precise steering and a composed ride that makes it equally at home on city streets or winding back roads. It's not a hot hatcher that's the GTI's jobber, but it's far from boring. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a host of other driver aids are available, adding to its appeal as a practical commuter. Cargo space is generous for a compact hatch, and the rear seats fold flat to increase versatility. The overall build quality remains a standout, with premium materials and attention to detail throughout the cabin. In summary, the 2025 Volkswagen Golf refines what was already a well-rounded package. It's not flashy, but it doesn't need to be. It delivers exactly what it promises: quality, practicality, and just enough fun to keep things interesting behind the wheel. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.